Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your crosshair color in Valorant. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your crosshair color on Valorant, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to your settings. After you go to settings, next, go to the crosshair option at the top. Once you're in the crosshair section, next, go to primary. And here at the primary you will now be able to see the crosshair color option. So to change your crosshair color, just tap this. And then you can now select the crosshair color that you want. Let's say that you want your crosshair to be color red, so to do that, just click the red option and then your crosshair color will immediately be changed into color red. But what if the color that you want was not in any of these options right here? So if the color that you want is not in these options, then just go to customs. And once you're on custom, just enter the color code of the color that you want for your crosshair right here. So to get the color code, just go to Google. And once you're on Google, you can now search for the color code of the specific color you want. So let's say that the color that you want for your crosshair is purple. So to find its color code, just search purple color code. And after searching, you will now be able to see the color code right here. So once you see the color code, you can now copy it. Then after you copy the code, go back to Valorant. And then just paste the code that you copied right here. So to paste the code, just press Ctrl+V in your keyboard. And after pasting the code, next, press the Enter key in your keyboard. And then after that, your crosshair color will be changed depending on the color code that you entered. So now that I've changed my crosshair color, let's test it on practice mode. And there it is guys, as you can see, my crosshair color has been changed successfully. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.